Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best compact circular saws in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Tekbo Saw. It has several fantastic functions, but first, let's look at the 4.8 amp copper motor, delivering one of the highest cutting capacities going around. With this motor, the blades turn at 3,700 RPM to cut through aluminum, tile, plastic, flooring, and wood in one smooth motion. The designers have included 3 different types of blades for tackling a wide range of projects. And it's not difficult to make swift blade changes, allowing you to adjust according to the demands of the job. Other than that, it has a laser guide supported by a 7-inch scale ruler, ensuring you can work fast without compromising on accuracy. Irrespective of whether users want to make straight or angled cuts, this saw delivers the desired output. What's more, for safety, it comes with a double safety switch, preventing accidental starting. Galax Pro Saw. The Galax Pro has ticked all the right boxes to rank among the top models in the market. The attention to detail is visible in the carefully designed body and wonderfully crafted functions, giving it an edge over other products. Therefore, most users believe that it's worthy of investment. People looking for a powerful unit will love the performance of this saw. The 5.8 amp motor offers an incredible range and, not surprisingly, produces 3,500 RPM for a smooth experience. It cuts through wood, plastic, plasterboard, and PVC pipes in one go, highlighting its efficiency. Now, thanks to the RIP guide, users can conveniently maintain the cutting line for precise output in most tasks. Plus, the debris produced during operation is cleared by the built-in dust port and vacuum adapter, making it low maintenance. So, the workstation remains clean, which saves you the added hassle of cleaning. Bosch 18 volts cordless circular saw. We've tested many circular saws, and this one comes as close to perfection of the form as is possible. Equipped with a standard 7.25-inch blade, an 8Ah battery, and weighing 11.6 pounds, it's a nimble cutter by itself. But the good news gets better. It has an aluminum accessory track, no special shoe or mounting hardware required. Lay the track on the board or plywood and slide this Bosch down it like a locomotive riding the rails. The resulting RIP or crosscut is table saw accurate. To control cutting depth, the Bosch circular saw has a thumb latch right above the trigger. Move the latch forward and press down, and the saw's shoe drops. To fine-tune the shoe's position, simply hold it with one hand while pressing down on the latch. When the shoe is where you want it, release the latch, and the amount of blade exposure below the shoe is right where you need it. Work Saw. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you'll enjoy working with this work saw, which is a highly sought-after unit. It has made significant strides to deliver balanced output, made possible by its innovative additions. Hence, this model has mostly received a positive response from buyers owing to its impressive performance. What's more, the blades easily cut through different materials like metal, tile, and plastic, but it's most useful against lumber. We found that this model slices through 2-inch thick lumber without any hassle. On top of that, it delivers precise output for the best results, meaning you won't feel fatigue even after working for extended periods. Along with that, the designers have kept their weight down, thereby improving portability without sacrificing its powerful performance. Plus, thanks to its cutting-edge technology, you can also use this tool with one hand, highlighting the incredible control, which makes it suitable for several tasks. Rotorazor Saw. This latest model from Rotorazor is taking the market by storm, and a closer look at its functions reveals why. It comes with innovative additions not seen in other brands, and understandably most people have liked what it offers. Moreover, it lasts a long time and promises to be money well spent. The Rotorazor saw delivers more speed and produces 4,500 RPM, along with an output of 500 watts for handling numerous projects. So, you can cut most materials, including PVC, drywall, hardwood, and carpet, with help from its multiple saw blades. Moving on, the manufacturers have used tungsten carbide, diamond, and steel to make the saws durable and powerful at the same time. Plus, with innovative additions like the parallel guide rail, users can make accurate cuts without any hassle. It delivers a clear view of the cutting line for better output and safe operations. Dual 20 volts cordless circular saw. Dual took its 20-volt cordless circular saw and sent it to the gym. Now it can run on a standard 20-volt max battery or the hulking dual-voltage 20x60 flex bulk power pack, not included. The latter enables a ridiculous amount of cuts on one charge or repeated cuts at its depth of 2 to 9/16 inches. It made so many buzzes through 2x4 in our test that we didn't even bother counting them. We ran out of wood before the battery showed any signs of fading. Suffice it to say that the larger the amp hours of the power pack you put in this thing, the more cuts you can expect up to a day's work or close to it. During our testing, we found this circular saw really comfortable to operate, thanks to the ergonomic handle positions and rubber grip. We also appreciated the effectiveness of the electronic blade brake, which stops the blade from spinning in a second or two as soon as you release the trigger.